So it's our new gate post.
Yeah, probably just be able to slide it right out here.
Okay.
Side of the door. Watch the lawnmower.
Bye, lawnmower. Well, it fits. That's a good thing. Yeah, well now we got to get it out.
Oh, right. It got in there with the machine. Now this machine's going to take it out.
Oh. Oh dear. Yeah.
I'm going to pivot that over a bit, and I want this edge right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, so our friend here at the mountain homestead has been very busy. What? He got tons of the bramble cut off the fence, so now all I have to do is go and pull it out of the fence and out of the hot wire, and we can get the hot wire all tightened up. Last time we were up here, we got the fence done around the goat barn. Got the whole perimeter, and now we just need a gate. Also, we have some siding to do. We have a little bit on hand, and we're not sure if we have quite enough to cover it, but we definitely have something to get us started. Check it out. We got some peas. So that's the first thing coming up in the field here out of our cover crops. I wonder what that was. I'm going to continue on here where I left off last week, pulling all the bramble and whatnot out of the fence. We've got some progress happening here though. So that's basically what I've been doing for the past hour, and pulling everything off the fence. Yay, I finally made it to the back corner on the outside. So this whole outside of the fence is clear now. Now for the inside. Nice.
I didn't do the window frame, sorry.
That's okay, it looks really good.
Do all that extra work when... What?
That's okay, we'll find some fancy bark or something to trim it with, like we did on the sunroom. That looks really cool so far. I love the rough edges. I like that piece. I like that one. Made it to the inside. We have one whole length of fence completely cleaned off. And then there's that. Getting there though. Too big? Came short of doing the second wall, but it's almost covered. It's gonna look really cool when it's done. Well, we have a gate. Oh, come on now. Oh. What was the thing called that broke in this one?
Magneto.
The magneto. So the magneto broke in this one. And now it needs a battery to start.
Wouldn't have any spark.
Right. So our neighbor built us a little box and a switch to hook up to the battery from our generator. And now it runs.
Waiting for his chance. Oh, I thought he was going to go for it.
Well, it's cool that they're back. Our resident osprey. They leave in the winter, but they come back in early spring.
Good boy. Alright, let's go.
It appears that I have disturbed little chicken. Hi. What's the matter, chicken? What are you doing in there? Lettuces. And those are all romaine. It looks like every one of them sprouted. That's pretty cool. Those are some potatoes. Some there. And there's a few more there. Judging by the color of the leaves, I'm gonna say they're probably the red potatoes. Here she goes, off to her new home.